Guys, I found another paying website. It's paid me. See evidence. It paid me. I'm so happy. You guys know what we do here is all about talking about how to make money online, how I make my own money online, and I want you to make money as well. So this website paid me this amount, this money, just by doing almost nothing, just investing money. It will do the work for you. Simple. Yes, what we do on this channel is we talk about how to make money. Yes, how I make my own money online, and I'm going to teach you how to fish, not to give you fish. You understand? So, guys, my name is Nkiruka. You can also call me Coach Nikki. If it is the first time of coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, share, and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. You understand? And if you're a subscriber, please like and share so that YouTube will push this video to those people that need it. You understand? Christmas is fast approaching. We need to make money. You get? So I don't want this video to be too long. So we will dive into the video now. And also, you tell me how many times you see this button. The winner is going to get a whooping sum of 3K. Yes, our giveaway start this week, like I said in my other videos. So anybody that sees this, how many times you see the subscribe button, you drop on the comment section. So let's dive into the video now. Guys, if you click the link on my description box or comment section, it will bring you here. You put your number, your nickname, your this thing, what's it called, your password. Then you click here, they will say verification code. You click here, click send, they will send you verification code which will come out here automatically, and then you click register. You understand? Once you register, it will bring you here. It will bring you here. Then you click on this follow now button so that you join their telegram to know information when they are passing information. You understand? So that's it. Here you click here, this recharge here, you click it to deposit the amount. They have different packages. They have 3,000 naira package, they have 10,000 naira package, they have 22,500 naira package, they have 53,500 naira package. So it's depending on what you want to buy. Well, first of all, let's click recharge to show you how to deposit. Just click this recharge button here. You click 3,000 naira, write the amount you want. 3,000. If it is 10,000, good. If it is 20,000, all the same. So once you have written the amount, you click instant recharge. It's loading. You click instant recharge. They will bring you where they will bring you here. After payment is successful, you must come back here and click I have paid. Okay, then you copy this account here. Click copy here. You copy it, then minimize your dashboard, go to your to your bank account and deposit. Once you have done depositing the exact amount you put here, you click I have made payment. You click this, I have made this bank transfer. You understand? It only have 9 minutes. You only have 9 minutes to use this account. After that, it will expire. You understand? Once you have recharged any amount, you come here and look for your package. Come back to home and look for your package. If it is 3,000 naira own, you click buy. If it is 10,000 naira own, you click buy. If it is 22,500 naira own, you will click buy. Then once you click buy, it will read 24 hours. After 24 hours, they will give you interest. Your daily income for 3,000 naira is 1,002. For 10,000 naira, it's 4,2. For 22,000 22,500 is 9,900, which is really amazing. You understand? So if after they have dropped your income and you want to withdraw, all you have to do is to click on the withdrawal button here on the home. You click on the withdrawal button here, you click it and you withdraw. Minimum amount you can withdraw is 1,000 naira to 50 million. You understand? When registering, remember this trade password. Don't forget, because there is this code you put to withdraw your money when withdrawing. You understand? Then you choose. They will ask you to bind your account. When you want to withdraw, you bind your account, then you click the amount you want to withdraw and request for withdrawal. You understand? So that's just it. See my own withdrawal. I withdraw 30,000 naira, which they take 5% of the money, which is 1,500, and that's amount that I receive 28,500. This platform is really genuine. So I'll advise you to register today and start earning for yourself. You understand? Thank you.